To book properties online and utilize 1 key cash at checkout on Vrbo. Start by opening a browser and navigating to vrbo.com. Then log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, where you can enter your desired location in the search bar. Select your check-in and check-out dates, and specify the number of people staying. After clicking the search button, browse the results and select the property you wish to book, which will take you to the property page. Here, you can review the property details. Then scroll down and click the Book Now button. In the booking section, verify your contact details and the booking amount. And if everything is in order, click Agree and Continue. Next, review the rules and policies, including cancellation policies, and click Agree and Continue again. On the final page, you'll be able to choose your payment method. And if you have accumulated enough 1 key cash points from previous bookings, you'll have the option to select 1 key cash as your payment method. If you choose to use 1 key cash, enter your billing address, including street address, city, zip code, and state, and click Book Now to complete your booking, after which you'll receive a confirmation email. This process allows you to use your accumulated 1 key cash points to book properties on Vrbo.